Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing my April BOXYCHARM unboxing and get ready with me / makeup tutorial. I love BOXYCHARM. I've been subscribed to BOXYCHARM since last year. It's almost going to be a year this May, and I've been really loving it ever since. So for those of you who don't know, which I'm sure you do by now, if you don't, you're under a rock. No, I'm just kidding, but seriously, you gotta get on BOXYCHARM. So it's a monthly subscription service where you pay, where you pay $4 to $5 a month for 21 products a month, but it's the other way around. You pay $21 a month for 4 to 6 products every single month, and they're full-size products. They're great. A lot of the times there's high-end products in here, and also there's sometimes brands that I personally have never heard of, so it's like a really fun way to be able to test out new products and just not spend a lot of money on them, because a lot of the times, more than half of the time, the box is always worth more than like $100, so it's a really great value. And even if you don't like maybe 1 or 2 products in the box, it still comes out to be a good value because it's still more than what you're paying a month. So yeah, I will leave a link down below so you guys can sign up for it if you are interested. This video is not sponsored by BOXYCHARM, but they do send me the box every single month. But I've mentioned it to you guys before, I am still a member with BOXYCHARM, and the extra box that I get, I just use it towards giveaways or donations because I genuinely love BOXYCHARM and I think it's a really great deal. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you're doing well. Don't forget to grab a snack and let's get started. Okay, so this month's theme seems to be peace, love, and boxy, kind of like summery theme with like the cactuses and stuff, cacti. So it looks really cute. So the first thing in here, which I'm so excited for that I see, are these makeup brushes, which I'm gonna be using today. And they've had Luxie makeup brushes before, and I love them. Really great quality. So this is the Summer Daze brush set, and this retails for $28. And then I see in here an eyeshadow palette, which we're gonna be playing with today. This one is from Pure Cosmetics. Pure is actually a really popular brand with BOXYCHARM, which I really do like. You can find it at Ulta, online, even Kohl's has it as well. So this is their festival palette. It looks really cute. I'm really intrigued by these glitters in here. I'm probably gonna be using one of those today, but it looks really pretty. So that's what we're gonna be playing with today. I already have my lids primed and everything, so let's just jump into it. I'm gonna be picking up the shade Epic, which is like a really nice soft brown, and I'm gonna be applying that right in the crease. Ooh, very pigmented, and I love how this palette comes with the mirror. I think today I'm gonna do a halo smoky eye, so we need a good transition color, and this shade is perfect. Don't mind my nails, they are disgusting, literally so broken, so fragile, and so gross. I'm getting them redone tomorrow, but they were just nasty. I started like biting some of them off, so yesterday I went to the nail salon and she didn't have time to like do like a new set on me, so I just told her to take them off because they were just really bad. And I know some people don't mind, but you'd be surprised. Some people pick out the weirdest things in videos, and I just feel like I have to make disclaimers for little things like that. I'm gonna go into the shade Hidden Desert, and I'm gonna be buffing that also right in the crease, and kind of just apply that in the crease and all over the lid, just making this look very smoky. I'm using this Wet n Wild blending brush, by the way. Did I just say that? I don't remember, but the last brush that I was using is from Beauty by Rosita. I don't think it's available anymore. I got it like 3-4 years ago, and it's amazing. It's one of my favorite blending brushes, but it's just like a white haired brush. I'm gonna go into the shade All Night, and I'm gonna be attempting to do this halo smoky eye. Every time I do these, I get so nervous because I'm still not like perfect at it, so let's just go with it. I'm gonna take that shade and I'm just gonna start applying that in the inner part of my lid. You guys know the drill. This brush is a smaller blending brush. It's like a white haired brush. I feel like white hair brushes pick up the product a little bit better versus like a regular, like, I guess it's called like a synthetic brush, like a regular haired brush. And I don't know, I just feel like it packs on the shades a little bit better, especially when I'm using darker colors. I really like using white haired brushes. So this one is from Amazon. I will leave the brush kit that I use down below. I think I'm gonna start leaving the brush kit that I use from Amazon in the FAQs because I literally get so many questions about it. So I'll leave it linked. So I'm just gonna pack that shade. I'm gonna try to leave the center blank. I'm debating which glitter shade I want to use. I wonder if these are going to stick well. I think I might have to use a little bit of a glitter primer. Let me see. Do I want to use this shade, which is like a rose gold, or do I want to use 24 karat? Oh, I think I'm going to use that gold, which is 24 karat magic, because it looks so pretty. They both look stunning. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my NYX glitter primer. I'm going to use the Luxie 245 small shader. This is like a perfect packer brush. It looks perfect. And I'm just going to be taking that glitter primer and I'm going to apply that right to the center of my lid. I probably used way too much. You do not need that much glitter primer. And I'm going to go into the shade 24 karat magic. I'm just going to start packing it on. Wow, that is so pretty. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Like in the pan, it kind of looks like it has a green undertone, but when you actually apply it, you can see it's just like straight up like a gold shade. It's so pretty. Wow, that is absolutely stunning. So what I do is I just keep like a makeup wipe here and I'm just gonna wipe, and then I'm gonna do the same thing obviously to the other eye, and I'm gonna use the same brush. This is a really nice packer brush. You guys know I love my Anastasia number 18 brush. Like it's so nice, but this is a really nice brush as well. Really packed on that glitter perfectly. I hate when I get glue on the lashes. Don't do that. Do as I say, not as I do. I'm gonna go back into that domed brush that I was using and I'm gonna blend out these edges. I'm gonna take a little bit of the shade All Night and Hidden Desert. Okay, I like this eye, I think, a little bit more than this eye. So let me try to make this even. There's always going to be, for me, one eye that looks better than the other. Never fails, always happens. Okay, then I'm gonna go into the shade Free Spirit and I'm gonna pop that right on the brow bone. For lashes, I have these from Lash Kitty and OMG Lashes. They're collab together and these look beautiful, like right up my alley. I mean, can we just take a moment and admire how stunning these are? So I'm gonna take these down here, which these are in the style Coqueta, and I'm gonna just pop those on and then we're gonna jump into the skin. So I'll be right back. Okay, lashes are on. I absolutely love these because they're really full and dramatic, but you can still see the eye makeup, so they're not like too overpowering. And yes, I have two different eye shapes. I literally get questions about this in almost every single one of my videos. I know, it looks different. This eye is a little bit more like, kind of like a lazy eye, droopy, and this one's more open. And when I wear lashes that are a little bit more dramatic, I feel like you can see it a little bit more. It just depends on the eye makeup. Two different eye shapes, it happens, I'm human. Also, I wanted to mention, I did notice that there is a eyeshadow primer in here with the Pure Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, which I did not realize it fell. And as I was looking down, I was like, oh, there's an eyeshadow primer. So you technically don't need to use a different eyeshadow primer if you're using this palette for the first time. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and just jump into the skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and just prime with my Kokie Get Ready Makeup Priming Spray. Super hydrating. My skin has been weird. It's been like super dry in some areas. My forehead is still very oily, but like my nose has been really dry, especially because of my piercing. I feel like it's kind of getting dry because I'm not really using a whole lot of product around that area. My skin's just kind of all over the place. I have a ton of texture and it's just not at the best space right now. I'm gonna go in with the No Poreblem primer from Touch in Sol. I love this primer. This was actually in a previous BOXYCHARM and I've been obsessed with it ever since. It does a really good job at like smoothing everything out. And it fills in my pores and I really like it. And I probably still have a little bit of glitter on my face from the shadow, but it's okay. For foundation, we're gonna kick it back a little bit. I'm gonna go in with the Revolution Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. I love this foundation so freaking much. It's so good. And I'm just using my Wet n Wild beauty sponge as always. I love it. I love this foundation. Oh my god, I forgot how good this is. This is like super full coverage. Oh yeah, this is actually a good match for me right now. Lasts all day. always looks flawless. For concealer, I'm gonna go in with the BH Studio Pro Total Coverage Concealer. If you guys watched my March favorites, you know that I've been obsessed with this. So I'm gonna go in with the shade 113 and 106. I like mixing the two because it kind of just creates like my perfect shade. This is very full coverage. It's just so creamy and nice on the skin. I'm obsessed with it. I just take this, mix the two shades on the back of my hand, and then I will just take these and just apply them right with my finger. You could use a brush as well. Then Avi for powder, I'm gonna go in with the Collab Ultra Fine Loose Setting Powder. This one is in Porcelain Ivory. This is not a surprise, you guys know this is like my holy grail. I can't put this down. Nothing compares to this powder. So I'm gonna just take this and pretty much set all over my face. And for bronzer slash contour and blush today, I'm going to be using the Benefit Cheekaleader Bronze Squad palette. I just started using this, you guys. This is such a great palette for every single day. So I'm going to take a little bit of Benefit Hoola and Hoola Caramel, mix the two. And this brush is from Forever 21. This is from their Gunmetal collection. This palette smells good, or maybe it's just because like I use this also to bronze and I put like perfume on and stuff before I film, but I feel like it smells so good. And I'm gonna use the same palette. I'm gonna take the shade Coralista. I'm just gonna pop that right on the apples of the cheeks. It's such a pretty like natural blush. It's not gonna give you a whole lot of color, but it's gonna give you like the lightest flush on your cheeks. Okay, next up, I'm so excited about this. This is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. This is a loose powdered highlight. This one is in the shade Summer Haze. I've heard really, really great things about this. I've seen this all over Instagram, so I'm really, really pumped. I'm gonna just take this and of course just highlight everywhere. I'm gonna just apply a little bit right onto the lid. The packaging is nice because it has like the sifter and it turns. So it's like, it's nice. I'm gonna use my Anastasia A23 brush. Wow. That is so pretty. It's so intense. Highlights like this, I tend to not go for a lot because they can be a little bit messy, but the packaging on this, like I said, is really nice. And they could be really pretty also if you don't love loose highlighters, but maybe you got it in your BOXYCHARM or something. You can always make your own like body lava out of it. Just add it into like your favorite body spray or something and then just apply that and it's gonna be so pretty. That's really nice too, and it's not like super glittery, which I like, but you still get like that wet look. Okay, now we can finish up the eyes. So I am gonna go into the shade Hidden Desert and I'm gonna just smoke it out. I'm gonna take this large shader brush from Luxie, their 209 brush. This I feel like is perfect for right on the lower lashes to give you like a nice smoky effect. I'm gonna take that and I'm going to smoke it out. It kind of like does it for you. Like you don't have to do a lot of blending because the way that the brush is, it literally just smudges it out for you, you know? I love that. I love this brush for this. This is so nice. If you really want like that smoky blown out look, this is perfect. I love it. And I just realized I forgot to use this little contour brush here. This is their small contouring Luxie 512. Let's use it really quick. I'm gonna take a little bit of Hoola and just add a little bit more, because why not? We have another BOXYCHARM product here. This is the Starlooks Celestial Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil. And it looks like a really pretty like light teal. I'm gonna just apply that on my waterline. I'm hoping that this is like creamy. Oop, a little bit just broke off on it. Okay. No, this isn't even showing up on the waterline. I think they've had this brand of eyeliners before and I didn't like it. Okay, even like swatching it, you can see it's like super light, like there's not much to it. Yeah, no. Oh, and I feel like I'm getting like the little tiny chunks in my eyes, so let's not do that. I'm just gonna use a brown liner from LA Girl to line my waterline because that was just not, that was a fail. Then we have the mascara. This is the Butter London Power Up Mascara. This one is in Power Black. I'm just gonna be applying this on my lower lashes. I'm not really crazy about the wand. Like, it's okay. I always put mascaras to the test on my lower lashes because I feel like my lower lashes are honestly longer than my top, but this is nice. I'm not crazy about the wand, but the formula is really nice. Okay, the final thing I'm gonna do are my lips, of course. I'm gonna go ahead and line with my Kokie retractable lip liner. This one is in nude. This is one of my favorites. Super creamy formula, and this shade is perfect. This and warm nude are my two favorites. It's so good. Then I have a new liquid lipstick. This one's from Jogia Cosmetics. This one is in this shade Collab, and this was actually sent to my P.O. box from a subscriber. I'm pretty sure this is her new brand, so I will link it down below. I always love testing out your products that you send me, your lashes, your lip products, just anything in general. You guys know I love supporting small businesses and other girl bosses, so if you have anything, definitely, you can always feel free to send it to me to my P.O. box, and I'll test it out, and I'll use it in videos for sure. Just gonna take this. Ooh, it's a really pretty color. This is literally the perfect nude peach. It's not too peach and not too pink. It's perfect. Okay, and then the final thing I'm gonna do is take my e.l.f. Plus Glowy Dewy Mist to set my makeup. I just realized I forgot to set my eyebrows. Oh my goodness. Let's do that now. I'm gonna use my Anastasia Brow Gel. This one is in the shade Dark Brown. Alright guys, so that completes this makeup tutorial. I really hope you like this look. I personally love it. I feel like a bronzed, glowy goddess, and I'm here for it. I love almost everything that I got in the box, so let's do a little rundown on the products. So something that I absolutely hated in the box that I'm going to be getting rid of is this Starlooks eyeliner. I'm going to just toss this. It's not creamy, it's not pigmented, and it was very rough on the waterline, so with my sensitive eyes, stuff like this just doesn't work. So this was definitely a fail, and this was $19. Like, I wouldn't even spend probably like $10 on this because the formula, just for me, it's not there. Something else that I wasn't crazy about is the Butter London Butter Up Mascara. I mean, like, it's okay. It's in the box. I used it. It works. But would I go out and repurchase this? No. I'm really, really loving the Colourpop BFF Volumizing Mascara. So if you want something super volumizing, super black, and super lengthening, I recommend this one. It's like $6 to $9 around there. It's really, really affordable. So everything else I am in love with. I love this eyeshadow palette. I feel like you can create a lot of looks with this, and I love the fact that you get a mirror, you have some glitters in here. It was super vibrant, very easy to work with, and I really do like this look. So this I'm obsessed with. I also love this Artist Couture loose highlighter. You could use this on your body, on your face, on your eyes, so it's very versatile, very, very vibrant, super intense. The more that you use, the more vibrant it's going to be on the skin. But regardless, it's going to give you a really nice wet glowy look, and you guys know I'm here for it. And I'm also in love with these Luxie brushes. They're super soft. I mean, and how cute is this pink packaging? I love them. They're really, really high quality, so these I'm obsessed with. So now let's do a little price check and see how much this month's box is worth. So I'm gonna pull up my handy dandy calculator and let's do a little bit of basic math. $36, $28, $27, $20 plus $19. Okay. So the total box this month is $130, which is incredible. That's such a great deal considering this was only $21 a month. So now I didn't love the eyeliner, so we're gonna subtract 19 because I just didn't love it. $111. Now, I wasn't obsessed with the mascara. Like, it was nice, but it wasn't a favorite, so let's subtract that, hypothetically speaking. $20 off. So still, that leaves us at $91. So regardless, like I said, if you don't like a few of the things in the box, it's still really, really a great value. So I'm loving it. This is probably definitely one of my favorite boxes. I just love the majority of the products and I like the variety in here. I feel like I can get a lot of use out of everything that is in the box that I do like. So I'm really loving it, and for the price, you just can't beat it. So let me know what you guys got in your box down below. I would love to hear from you, and I hope you enjoyed this look. Thank you so much for everything, and I will see you in a few days in my next one. Bye!